10 money secrets you won't learn in school. Go to school, graduate, get a job, then retire with some benefits. That's the dream. Right? Every single school will train their students that this is the right path to take. The only problem is, this doesn't work anymore. 50 years ago, this financial route would make so much sense. But the entire tax system, retirement system, and legal system have changed so much, making what they currently teach in school about money completely redundant. The main reason we chose this topic is because of the lack of financial literacy classes in our current education system. Times have changed, and if you don't want to be broke for the rest of your life, you better grab a pen and paper right away. Before we begin, give this video a thumbs up and tap the subscribe button and the bell icon if you haven't already. We have informative content every other day that you don't want to miss out on. Now, let's begin, shall we? 1. Assets are the key to wealth. Assets are important as long as you want to build your wealth. But the thing is, school will never teach you this. There are assets that depreciate in value, such as motor vehicles, and those that appreciate, such as land and real estate. You want to focus more on acquiring assets that appreciate in value, as opposed to those that depreciate. Being wealthy means owning your own time, and the certain way to garner this sort of freedom is by acquiring assets that earn for you as you sleep. These could be stocks, property that generates income through leasing, bonds, a website that earns you money, and a business. Once you have enough assets, you'll shift into the wealthy category of people. You will no longer need a day job, and you will own every minute of your day. 2. Compound interest. Compound interest is potentially the most important money secret. It almost works like magic. The concept is quite easy to understand, but not everyone has wrapped their head around it yet. Compound interest makes it possible for people to reach their financial goals faster than they could imagine. For the first few years, admittedly, your money will grow really slowly. But in the last few years, the growth will be exponential. Say you invest $10,000 every year with a rate of 7% into an index fund. It will take you 15 years to grow your wealth to $300,000. But from there, your money will grow to $1 million in only 12 years. So, if you want to retire a millionaire, you better start using the magic of compounding right away. By understanding how compound interest works, you'll be able to be patient when the growth is annoyingly slow initially. 3. Passive income. Let's be honest, most of us watching don't know anything about passive income. Or if you do, you didn't learn it in school, but on some YouTuber's video or blog post, right? The reality is most of us make money by saving our time in exchange for a paycheck. Not everyone considers making money in channels that won't necessarily require you to spend that much time. We've been trained that we must spend a lot of time and energy to get the results. Therefore, selling the idea that you can make money as you sleep is often shut down. I bet some of you are already second-guessing what I'm saying, but I don't blame you. I blame the education system. Some of the most common passive income streams include selling digital products, which could be ebooks, apps, buying stocks that pay out high dividends. The list is endless. Just research on the different channels and select one that would suit your budget, lifestyle, and needs. 4. Retirement. Unfortunately, you won't learn how to plan for retirement from school. Planning for retirement should start as soon as you leave college. Most people have it all worked out by their workplace's HR team, but others don't. It's important to have a retirement plan in place so that when you stop working, you have something to fall back on and support you for the rest of your life. If not, you will become a burden to family and friends. Look out for pension programs as soon as you can and invest in them as soon as possible. 5. Managing debt. No one will teach you how to manage your debt. Well, unless you take some personal finance classes, which in my opinion should have been offered in school as part of the curriculum. But because not all that matters is taught in school, here we are, learning about debt from a YouTube video. Most people after college end up in so much debt. It's here where, in addition to student loans, they take up multiple credit cards, which dig them even deeper in debt. Without the right debt management skills, they almost always end up depressed, surviving paycheck to paycheck. The key to managing debt is to start by being aware of all the debt owed and the due dates for repayments. Never miss a payment date, as it will implicate your credit score, and there could be additional penalties for delays. Also, never borrow what you can't repay. For more information, watch our other personal finance videos.